Wow, that was truly a mesmerizing performance. As a model for others, we all sincerely appreciate your commitment and endurance. It has been a long journey full of both challenges and opportunities in which you have always performed exceedingly well.
On this note, we would like to put under limelight some very hardworking and talented teachers who have been teaching us with all their hearts and helping us to make our paths achievable. We now present the Service Tenure Award for those who have been serving us for past 20 years.
So for this, I would like to welcome on stage the respected management of Amrapali Group of Institutes to present the Service Tenure Awards. We welcome you, sir. We now request Professor Dr. M.K. Sharma sir, who has been with us since 26th of July 1999, to kindly come up on the stage and receive the Service Tenure Award.
May we have a huge round of applause for him, audience?
Thank you so much, sir. Since 1st of September 1999, so we welcome you on stage. Audience, can we have a huge round of applause, please? Thank you so much, sir.
Now we present the Service Tenure Award for all those who have been serving us from past 10 years. Now, may I request Dr. Suresh Chandra Varyar, Assistant Professor, who has been working since 22nd June 2000.
Here we have on stage Mr. Hira Basani sir, who has been with us since 30th of July 1999. Audience, can we have a huge round of applause, please? Thank you so much, sir. Now we welcome 2nd of June 2009. So kindly come on stage and receive the Service Tenure Award.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Nitin Pandey, Assistant Professor, who has been serving us since 16 July 2009, to please step up and receive the Service Tenure Award.
Audience, please give him a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Now we welcome on stage Mr. Deep Chandan Rola, Assistant Professor, who has been with us since 1st of August 2009. Sir, kindly join us on stage and receive the Service Tenure Award.
May we have a big round of applause for sir? Next, may we please have Mr. Pawan Mehra, Assistant Professor, who has been working with us since 1st February 2010.
We welcome you, sir. Audience, may we have a huge round of applause for him.
Time to please step up and receive his Service Tenure Award. May we have a huge round of applause, audience?
Thank you so much, sir. Now we welcome on stage Mr. Umesh Chandra Joshi, sir, who has been with us since 14th of September 2009. So we welcome you on stage. Audience, can we have a huge round of applause for him?
Next, may we have Mr. Jugal Giri, carpenter, who has been with us since 15 September 2009. May we have a huge round of applause, audience?
And now we welcome on stage Mr. Rupen Kumar, sir, assistant professor, who has been working with us since 1st of August 2009. We welcome you, sir. Audience, can we have a huge round of applause, please?
Next, I request Mr. Mahesh Chand Joshi, attendant, who has been with us since 25th June 2009. May we have him on stage, and audience, may we have a huge round of applause?
Now we welcome on stage Mr. Kundan Singh, attendant, who has been working with us since 24th of August 2009. Audience, please give him a huge round of applause.
Now, may I request Mr. Mahesh Chandra Tiwari, attendant, who has been serving us since 13th January 2010, to please step up and receive his service tenure award. Audience, may we have a huge round of applause for sir?
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for presenting these awards. Congratulations to all the members of the Amrapali family. We are very thankful for all the motivation and encouragement you have given us throughout the years.
लाजवाब और दिया कलाकारों को ढेर सारा प्यार। महफिल में अब रंग जमाने, आप सभी को अपना बनाने आ रहे हैं हमारे पहाड़ी कलाकार।
कुछ हटके करना था, उत्तराखंड की संस्कृति को बनाई अपनी चॉइस। अब अपनी अगली परफॉर्मेंस लेके आ रहे हैं आम्रपाली के बॉयज।
पहाड़ी संस्कृति में जान इनकी बसती है, उत्तराखंड के निवासी हैं, यही इनकी हस्ती है, यही इनकी हस्ती है।
तो दगड़ियों बजाओ जोरदार ताई, खिलेगी अब उड़ी तुमन ले और हमन ले सबू के मनपसंद
गंडोसारी बॉयज। Alay, what else do we have to unveil? क्योंकि performances अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Well, Anchal, I think it's time for an energetic dance performance filled with a tint of Bollywood tadka.
Definitely Alay. जैसे खुशबू बिन फूल अधूरा है, सुर बिना ताल अधूरे हैं और इजहार बिना इकरार अधूरा है, वैसे ही बॉलीवुड बिना डांस अधूरा है. So our next performers have Bollywood in their style statement, as they only believe in entertainment, entertainment and entertainment.
Correct. So audience, get ready as our next performance is going to make you sink into the ocean of Bollywood. So give a huge round of applause for the
InSync.
InSync.